Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Lucca HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in lucca.ilucca.net and then press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for your Lucca HR account. Now within the login section, type in your user ID or your email address that you have used while signing up, and then enter your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Lucca account right away. Now you can also use your Google account by clicking on login with Google, and you can also log in using your company account by clicking on the given option. In case you forgot your password, you will also find the forgot password option, which you can click on to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Lucca HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.